model right here, 1957 Custom 300. And I think they're over there. We're not too far from the parking lot cone thing. Here we go. Look at that trim. I like this stuff. Yeah, we'll head over there and check out the blueprint engines. Yeah, we'll walk over there and watch some of that. Okay, I can't get so far back because I'm up against this Fury here, folks. But I'm probably 4 foot away, so I can't get no further back. Custom 357. News to me. It's hard not to like the lines of these cars. These are really nicely styled cars. And unless you're a hater. And if you're a hater, you're not gonna like nothing. I'm sorry. You're good. No, you're good. I walked in front of you. I'm sorry. All right, folks. There you go. Let me walk over here and see what's